Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brussels Sprouts Bacon. Today we're going to be making a chocolate cake, but with one of the ingredients being Brussels sprouts. Alright, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then, grease and flour two 9-inch round cake pans. In a large bowl, place 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir all of your dry ingredients together. Next, add 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix the batter for 2 minutes with an electronic mixer at medium speed. Slowly mix in 1 cup of boiling water into the batter. Set the batter aside for 5 minutes. As you wait, grind a cup of Brussels sprouts together and mix it into the batter. Divide your batter evenly between the prepared pans and bake them in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. You will know your cake is ready when a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Now, pull your cakes out of the oven and let them sit in the pans for 10 minutes. After these 10 minutes, gently invert them and allow them to cool for another 10. Try this recipe and tell me in the comments down below whether you like the Brussels sprouts or if you couldn't even taste them in your cake. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.